Hey there, welcome back to Whimsy Tricks. Today, we have an exciting list of DIY projects that will help you save a bundle in 2024. From making your own non-toxic glue to creating reusable baby wipes, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right in. Non-toxic glue. Let's start with a simple recipe to make non-toxic glue. All you need is sugar and water. Just mix them together and let it sit for 10 hours. Voila! You have your very own homemade non-toxic glue. Super strong glue. Now, if you're looking for a stronger adhesive for wood, plastic, and cardboard, we have a fantastic recipe. Gather sugar, water, vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda, Listerine, and alcohol. Combine all these ingredients, and you'll have a super strong glue at your disposal. Baby wipes. Next up, let's talk about making your own baby wipes. Take a roll of paper towel and cut it in half. In a Tupperware, mix 2 cups of water, 8 drops of essential lavender oil, 8 drops of frankincense, and 1 teaspoon of Castile soap. Pour this mixture over the paper towel, and you're good to go. Least expensive version. If you're on a budget, we have a more affordable version of baby wipes. Cut a roll of Bounty paper towel in half and prepare an organic mixture with lavender and coconut oil. Add some castor oil and measure the quantities carefully. This will save you some extra bucks. Reusable baby wipes. For those environmentally conscious parents out there, we have a DIY recipe for reusable baby wipes. Grab some cloth diapers, preferably Gerber brand, and cut them into small pieces. Prepare a mixture with water, lavender, frankincense, coconut oil, and Castile soap. Store them in a Ziploc bag, and you're all set. Baby shampoo, wash. Moving on to baby care. Let's learn how to make your own baby shampoo or wash. Combine 1/4 cup of Castile soap, 1/8 cup of glycerin, 1/4 cup of aloe vera, and a few drops of myrrh, Hawaiian sandalwood, and frankincense. Mix it all together with warm water, pour it into a container, and transfer it to a shampoo bottle. Easy peasy. Styrofoam to super strong glue. Here's a surprising tip. Never throw away your styrofoam. Instead, immerse it in a jar full of water until it dissolves. Stir it until it thickens, and voila! You have a super strong glue made from styrofoam. Lentil, black eye, and chickpea recipes. Let's switch gears and talk about some delicious and affordable meals you can make with lentils, black eyes, and chickpeas. Think hummus, fritters or meatballs, flatbread, salads, curry, soup, and even cooking it with rice. The possibilities are endless. Dental care on a budget. As a bonus tip, if you don't have dental insurance, did you know that dental schools in your community are a great option to keep your teeth clean without breaking the bank? Dental schools often offer discounted or even free dental services performed by supervised students. It's a win-win situation. Before we wrap up, let's leave you with a frugal quote to inspire your savings journey. Jason Chaffetz once said, "A dish of frugality is a good thing for everyone." So, remember, embracing frugality can benefit us all. Before we go, here's a bonus tip for all the coffee lovers out there. Instead of splurging on expensive coffee shop drinks, consider making your own at home. Invest in a good quality coffee maker or a French press and experiment with different flavors and toppings. You can save a significant amount of money by enjoying your favorite coffee creations right in the comfort of your own home. One great way to save money on groceries is to plan your meals in advance and create a shopping list. Stick to the list and avoid impulse buying. Additionally, consider buying generic or store brand products instead of expensive name brands. Finally, take advantage of sales and coupons to maximize your savings. Final thoughts. As we wrap up, we want to remind you that saving money doesn't mean depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It's about making smart choices and finding alternative solutions that align with your financial goals. By implementing these DIY savings hacks, you'll not only save money but also develop a sense of resourcefulness and creativity. Well, that's all for today's episode. We hope you found these additional tips helpful in your quest for frugality. Remember, saving money is a journey, and it's all about finding small, sustainable changes that add up over time. We'll be back soon with more money-saving tips and tricks. Until then, stay frugal and enjoy the satisfaction of a well-managed budget. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more frugal inspiration.